Hey guys, today we are going to introduce our newest Loungefly Disney LASR Halloween exclusive. Behold, the limited edition Minnie Witch. Ta-da! This Minnie Witch is inspired by the iconic Minnie outfit from Disneyland. She's made from PU smooth leather with front zippered pocket shaped it in a pumpkin cauldron where you can put your little gadgets inside. She also has two exterior side slip pockets here and here. She has a top handle and a pretty good large compartment where there is her pumpkin and hats inside. See? And there is a inner zipper pocket which you can put your little stuff in here. And she has a padded dual adjustable shoulder strap fitted to your size. She is only available to LASR.com. She is not available at the park. And remember, she is limited edition only. So if she's gone, she's gone. Make sure to grab your Minnie Witch at LASR.com and cheers!